And it sounds like where the secretary and the love interest of Timothy, Beulah, works, that's the house where this bridge game might be taking place. And sort of as part of that game, there might be some murders happening. We've just been getting introduced to the characters in the first couple of chapters, so we will find out soon um, how this all progresses. Oh my god. Sorry, I got a message from a relative, kind of weird. My friend, oh, my friend just got married yesterday. Sent me some photos of that. I was not able to make it to her wedding. Very sad about that. But at the same time, this month was kind of hard for me to make those arrangements. So that's why I didn't make it. But if anybody in the chat knows how to play bridge, do tell. Maybe this is a lost art. This book has murder too. Murder around, let's see, a bridge. It seems this book has murder. This book has murder around that scene of bridge, it seems. A bunch of Greeks tried to teach me, but I never bothered. Hi, Doro Doro. A bunch of Greeks tried to teach me. Aw. I think they were trying to bond with you. Hi, Baji. Baji's, oh, let me show you. Baji's over here now. We will start chapter 3 and we will also say hi to Baji. Hi, Baji, come. Kole ashbe. Kole ashbe naki baba. Come. Come, Baji. Suji's over there now. And Baji's on lap. So they just got their snack. And that's why they were up. And that's why he had to come down from his tree to receive the snack. All right, so chapter 3 of Duplicate Death, where I used to work in a Greek restaurant, awesome people, but it wasn't for me. That makes sense, yeah. Sounds like an interesting experience. Hi, Fuji Bublu. Hi, Fuji Bublai. Okay, so we had the interesting dynamic between Timothy and his fiancée, Beulah, who is also the secretary of this lady, at which point there might be, this lady might be the one who's hosting a bridge game. We don't know too much about this bridge game or how it works, but I think we'll figure it out. Anyways, there's some murders that might be happening surrounding that situation. So, anyway, we just met Timothy and Beulah. We'll keep going.